Good morning, my dear. I hope everyone is well. Today, I will discuss two topics of MS Excel. First, creating series, and the last one, formulas in Excel. First of all, you have to know what is autofill and formula. Autofill is very useful Excel feature. It allows you to create entire columns or rows of data which are based on the values from other cells. In other words, Excel compares the selected data and tries to guess the next values that will be inserted. That if you have given 1 and 5, itself your Excel will decide that what will be the next value. Now only 1 5 I given from my side. Come now, when I will select 4 cells, understood, and I will go for autofill, then 1 5, then next number will be 9, and then 13. Why? Because the difference is 4. Everywhere you see the difference is 4. Got it? Now, next, what is a formula? Formula is an expression telling the computer what mathematical operation to perform upon a specific value. When referring to computer software, formulas are most often used in spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel. Using formulas, you can quickly make calculations and get total of multiple cells, rows, or columns in a spreadsheet. But whenever you are using your formula, you must have to give first of all equal sign. Now I'm going to show you how you can, yes, use autofill. Now I'm going to take this data. This is my sheet. First of all, I have to discuss autofill. See, I have my first value 2. Next value as 6. Okay. Whenever you are going for the autofill, then for the number 2 values must be there. But for text, only 1. Clear? Now, I will select this 2. I given from my side the first value as 2 and the second value as 6. Now, when I will drag it, it will be now the duty of Excel that what will be the next value. You see, I am going to select these 2 cells and now I'm going to drag it. Obviously, next value will be 10 because difference is 4. Now I want to complete my work till here. Has it come? 2, 6, 10, 14. Everywhere you can see difference is what? 4. Now, I said others also that if I'm going for the text series, which is already saved, got it? Then what I will use? I will go for my first text and click and drag it. This is called fill handle process. Now it has come Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because it is already defined, my dear. But you say, sir, I want to have my own custom list. And as per that, it should work. Can I do it? Yes, why not? You can do it. How? First of all, you have to go to the file. There you will have more. Click on more and then option. Again, I'm saying first you click on file, go on more. There you have options. Click on that. You'll be getting Excel options dialog box. Just now you can see it. A window has come. Now, there you have to select advanced. Which one? Advanced. Okay. Now, come down. Slowly come down. Yes. You can see here in the in the general section, that is in the wave option, you will see edit custom list. You can see in the general one, you will see this button edit custom list. It means either which is already defined that you want to change it, or you want to have your own, that is the new one. Then click on this. Now you see these lists are already defined before, but I want my own list. And excuse me, I want my own list, own way, and this all should be in a series. Okay, first of all you click on add. Okay, now I want the colors name. Okay, red, green, blue, white, yellow, pink, magenta. Okay, this much. Now my first value of this series is red. After red, when I will drag it, use the fill handle process, automatically green, blue, white, yellow, pink, and magenta will come or not? Yes, it will come. I will add it and then okay. Now, okay. Now only I will write red and see whether this series will work to my cells or not. It has come. This is the list that is created from my side, and Excel has obeyed it. And what you see? Red, green, blue, white, yellow, pink, magenta. And after that, the same is repeated, because after that you have not given the series, other series. Only the last one, the value of that series is magenta. So if you will go more, then what will happen? Again, it will start from beginning. Clear? Now, there is other process also. See, you can go to home and you can use fill, but listen my dear, for that you must have to give your first initial value. I want 6. Okay, until where you want to work, that much you can select it. Clear? After doing this, I want my series like 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, and it should be up to 96. But if suppose your 96 fit in R62, then as 62 will not have any value. Clear? Okay. Now I will go to the home tab. I will click on fill. There you have the series. Now here you see what is the step value. 10, right? 10. Till where you want. I want, okay, 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, only up to 56. Last value will be 56. 56. If, listen, my dear, if I will not define stop value, what will happen? It will continue till my selection. See, I'm not going to use just now. I'm going to use only that. What happened? Till where I selected, till there it worked. But if I would have given the stop value, that is 56, after that you cannot see a single value after that cell. I'm showing you. Just I'm going again the same word 6 and dragging till here, going to fill series value, that is step value 10, and the last value I'm going to have 56. Now only your 56, that will be the last value. In between you will have 6, 16, 26, 36, 46, but 56 will be the last one. You see, after that it has not shown. Why it has not shown? Because I restricted that after 56 you have to not go, you have to be there. So I hope everyone understood how to have the series created in Excel. It is up to you how you want. Now the next part, that is a formula. Students, when you are using formula, one thing you must have to keep it in mind. Your formula must start with an equal sign. This you have to learn it. Whenever you use your formula function, it must start with an equal sign. Okay, I have my datas. So let me come back here. Okay. Now, here I have to erase these all so that I can show you total and percentage. Okay. Now, here I have to write the total marks. Then how I can use it? Before that, you must have to know cell address. How your cell address will work and how you will identify that this is my cell address. Simple. Now you can see I am working on which row. Where is my total marks that is going to be shown? In row number 2. So row number 2 must remember. Where, in which column I am going to work? I am going to work on O. That means O2. It means O2. If I am saying, then it means this one is O2. How you will understand this is O2? Simple. You just go to the name box. Name box, you see, is it showing O2? Just you see here, it is showing O2. Clear? Now, when I'm using the formula, I must have to know the cell address. So my cell address that will be involved, yes, so for doing the sum of Aditya, that will be E2, F2, G2, H2, I2, J2, K2, L2, M2, and N2. Clear? Now, I'm going to do this. In this cell, I will write equal sign. E2, you can write small capital, doesn't matter. E2, F2, G2, H2, I2, J2, K2. See, whichever the cells I am writing, my dear, that cells are selected also. You see, with different colors, you can understand it. K2. Now, see, I'm going to not use L2, M2, then what will happen? Whether that cell will be highlighted or not. You see, K2, then M2 I'm writing. What happened? L2 missed. But when you have to do the sum, then L2 must be there. But to let you understand, I not use the L2, but I will use L2, L2, M2, and N2. Now you can understand, oh, my all the cells have been selected. After doing this, what you have to do? Press enter key. You will get the sum. But there is other way also to find out the sum. That is auto sum. See, 874 everyone is remembering. I am removing it. Select these all cells and go to the home tab. There you will have editing. This group will have auto sum. When I will click on auto sum, I will get that sum shown in O2. To over, see, it is a lengthy process to use equal E2, F2, G2 like that one. Why not? I can use the auto sum. I will select it and I will use auto sum. Next to that cell, it will show me the total. Okay. Now, let me select and then auto sum. It has come 874. Now, what is the benefit, my dear? Once you have done sum, this formula, you can apply to others also. One work and you will achieve what? Multiple targets. You see, first, this one I will copy it and I will paste here. Automatically, sum has come, total sum of these all roll numbers, yes, shown in O, column O. Now, same way you can find out the percentage also, but I'm not talking about the function. If I have to talk about the function, then I will use some function, maximum max function. Mean, because this is not to be discussed now. In the next class, I will be discussing the function, but here you have to understand how you have to use the formula. Understood? If you want to have the modification, simple. Select this cell. And then one thing, please keep it in mind. Can you tell me which function key help you to edit the cell contents? Which function is used to edit the cell contents? It is F2 function key. Now, suppose I have to edit this one. I will select this one and then use F2. There is other way also you can edit it. You go there and double time click on it. Clear? Or you select here and go to the formula bar. See, formula bar is there. Here you can change it. No, I don't want E2. It should be, yes, from F. From F. So what you will write? In place of E, you will write here F. Now press enter key. Now 796 has come. Okay, so it is up to you how you want to work with that one. Clear? Now I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.